In Milton, where historic charm meets modern New England living, homeowners take pride in maintaining properties that look beautiful, feel comfortable, and stand strong through all 4 seasons. One home improvement project that can make a surprisingly big impact in both appearance and daily comfort is professional door replacement. Whether your door is aging, drafty, or simply outdated, upgrading it can transform the way your home looks and feels, inside and out. Here's how professional door replacement enhances comfort, curb appeal, and overall value for Milton homeowners. Say goodbye to drafts and temperature swings. Massachusetts weather can be unpredictable, and Milton experiences everything from icy winter winds to muggy summer afternoons. Older doors often struggle to keep up. They may have gaps, worn weather stripping, or warped frames that allow outside air to enter your home. Professional door replacement creates an instant improvement by ensuring a tight, energy-efficient seal, a properly insulated door slab, correctly installed weather stripping, a frame aligned to prevent air leakage. These benefits keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, without forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. Many homeowners notice a difference in comfort the very first day. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Comfort and energy costs go hand in hand. A professionally installed door helps reduce the amount of heated or cooled air that escapes your home, which directly lowers your monthly energy bills. This is especially impactful in Milton, where winters are long and heating costs can rise quickly. Modern doors offer insulated cores, energy-efficient glass inserts, multi-layer construction, weather-resistant exterior materials. These features work together to maintain stable indoor temperatures and reduce energy waste, making your home more efficient year-round. A stunning boost to your home's exterior appearance. Your entry door is one of the first details people notice when approaching your home. A worn or outdated door can take away from the overall beauty of your property, even if everything else looks great. Professional door replacement instantly refreshes your home's exterior and highlights its architectural style. Milton homeowners often choose designs that complement the town's signature charm, including classic craftsman doors, elegant wood look, fiberglass doors, modern steel entry doors, decorative glass panel options, bold colors that make the entryway pop. Whether your home is historic, colonial, or newly renovated, a new door adds character, beauty, and a memorable first impression. Better security for peace of mind. Comfort isn't only about temperature, it's also about feeling safe at home. Newer doors come with advanced security features that older models lack. When installed professionally, these upgrades protect your home against forced entry and provide long-term reliability. Security-enhancing features include multi-point locking systems, reinforced strike plates, solid core or steel construction, impact-resistant glass inserts, smart lock compatibility. With proper installation, the door fits tightly into its frame, leaving no weak points or gaps that intruders could target. Reduced maintenance and long-term durability. Modern replacement doors are designed to withstand New England's weather conditions with little upkeep. Fiberglass, steel, and composite materials resist moisture warping, cracking, fading, rot. When installed correctly, these materials maintain their beauty and functionality for many years, reducing maintenance demands and repair costs for Milton homeowners. Increased home value and long-term return on investment. A new entry door consistently ranks as one of the highest return home upgrades, both nationally and in the Massachusetts market. Buyers appreciate homes with updated, energy-efficient, secure doors, especially in towns like Milton, where curb appeal significantly impacts value. Professional installation ensures the door performs as intended, helping maximize its lifespan and your investment. Final thoughts. Professional door replacement is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your Milton home. It enhances comfort, improves energy efficiency, boosts curb appeal, strengthens security, and adds long-term value, all while reflecting the unmistakable charm of New England living. If your current door is drafty, outdated, or simply no longer meeting your needs, a professionally installed replacement door can transform both the look and feel of your home.